Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Suunto to Strava. First, make sure your Suunto watch is fully synced with the Suunto app on your mobile device. This is a crucial initial step. Once synced, open the Suunto app and navigate to the settings menu, usually found by tapping the gear icon. Within the settings, you'll find a section specifically for partner services. This is where we'll begin our integration process to link your account seamlessly. Next, within the Partner Services section of the Suunto app, locate and select Strava from the list of available options. You'll then be prompted to grant specific permissions, allowing Suunto to share your activity data with Strava. Carefully review these permissions and confirm your choice. This authorization is essential for automatic synchronization of your workouts, ensuring every run, ride, or swim recorded on your Suunto watch appears on your Strava profile without any manual effort. After authorizing the connection, it's important to verify that everything is working correctly. Open your Strava app or log into the Strava website and check if any recent Suunto activities have appeared. A great way to test is to record a short, new activity with your Suunto watch, perhaps a 10-minute walk, and then check Strava again. If you encounter any issues, revisit the Suunto app's partner services to recheck permissions, or simply disconnect and reconnect the services for a fresh start. With your Suunto and Strava accounts now linked, you can enjoy the convenience of automatic activity uploads. Every workout recorded on your Suunto watch, from a 5-kilometer run to a 2-hour hike, will seamlessly transfer to Strava. This allows you to leverage Strava's robust social features, segment analysis, and training insights. Remember to keep both your Suunto and Strava applications updated to their latest versions for the best performance, and to ensure a smooth, uninterrupted data flow between the two platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.